All right, smart money. SMSFXMentor.com, right? So I'm SMSFX Ken, and this right here is SMSFX Kyder. All right, say hi, Kyder. Say hi. Hello. So, guys, we dropping videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, okay? So you're gonna have a video Monday, Wednesday, every Friday, and we're gonna do a video on Sunday, all right? And we're gonna be teaching you guys different ways to make money in the market. So today, me and Carter, we're gonna teach you supply and demand, all right? So pretty much I'm gonna go over here to the internet and look up the definition of supply and demand, all right? So supply refers to the market's ability to produce a good or a service, whereas demand refers to the market's desire to purchase the good or service, okay? Supply and demand is often considered to be a fundamental concept with economic and is primarily used to describe the price and availability of commodities. All right, so pretty much, right? So we got the sum of it, we got the definition of it, and then we need to know exactly what are we looking for when we go into the chart. So to keep it sweet, short, and simple, guys, we're going to go ahead and hop over to the charts, and I'm going to show you guys pretty much how I like to look for supply and demand zones and how you can apply these same methods into looking for supply and demand zones for you to be able to make money in the market. All right. So in order for you to learn, though, you have to keep coming back. You have to stay subscribed. You have to like and you have to comment, right? So that we can get some of them answers. I mean, some of those questions that you need answered. All right. And like I said, guys, we offer a private mentorship, which you can go ahead and check out, SMSFXMentor.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. But no further ado, we're gonna hop right into this. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and share the screen, guys. And we're gonna keep it pretty much simple, just as simple as I did on the last video that you guys watched, right? With support and resistance. Well, I want to show you guys the same way you can use all of these, right, as confluences, but how to be able to make money in another way or another strategy, right? So pretty much supply and demand levels, right? So demand is pretty much is an area where price is on at a discount point, and price where a lot of buyers are going to start buying right from that area. Okay, so maybe it'd be above a key level or a certain point of interest, right? Or it's just a large group of sellers that's pushing the market down from a certain point, which is supply area, right? And that's pretty much aggressive sellers basically stepping in the market and actually, selling off to the buyer, right? So a demand area is pretty much a buying area, and a supply area is pretty much a selling area, right? Well, let me show you what I look for when I'm looking for a supply area or demand area. Hmm? What's the matter? You said you're gonna be good. Okay. I'll just pick balls. All right, y'all. So gang over here. I want to act up a little bit. I don't want to be ghetto while I'm making these videos, so I might have to redo this video just for, clean, smooth purposes. But guys, whether you're a sit-at-home mom or sit-at-home dad, you can literally get into these markets and make some money, all right? So like I was saying, when you're looking for a demand area, you're looking for aggressive buying, right? So I can go through and let's mark up some demand areas where I felt price was aggressively buying in this area. and more than likely prices more so ready to react to this area. Okay, so we got this area here. We have aggressive buying. Okay. So we will mark this area up here. Boom, a blue area. Up here. Boom. We got a blue area here. Also, we got aggressive buying at this level here. So we will mark this level up here. Also, we have aggressive buying in this area. All right, until price pushed up here. All right, and then you kind of get the gist of it, right? Aggressive buying area right here. So these are known as demand areas, right? Price got to a certain area, boom, came back to that certain area where buyers got in beforehand, right? And then as soon as the price got back down to that level, buyers got in again, pushing price back up to the last high, breaking through the last high, pushing price back up to the next available last high, right? And the next available last one, and the next available last one, right? So this was a nice aggressive demand area, okay? So same thing as far as going to the downside, aggressive selling areas, right? So let's just say you was here and this was your high for the day right here. So you had this area right here, boom, which obviously you had other influences letting you know, okay, boom, what's going on. But boom, you'll turn this red. You'll say, okay, we got sellers here, aggressive selling here. So boom, we know that this is a aggressive selling area. Price get back to this area, we know, okay, price gonna probably continue to go down. Price fail to get back up to this area, we know price continue to go down, right? And so you just go on and so forth and so forth. All right, so you go right here, you see aggressive selling, all right, around this level. Boom, you go back down here, you see aggressive selling here. Boom, you mark off this level. So we have hit here, boom, sell, hit here, boom, or failure to hit here. And then we had a sell. Price came back up, hit this level, and then we had a sell. Now it didn't make another lower low, right? So obviously the sell was just a short term, right? But to give you a little better example, some sell areas or some aggressive um, supply areas was, you can come here and you see, okay, boom, had an aggressive drop here, boom, I've seen it drop again here, I've seen it drop again here, boom, right? So now you come back down and you look at this area, you say, okay, boom, I have aggressive sales here, and then I can go ahead and boom, push that over here. Price got back to this point, it's sold off. Price failed to get back to this point, it's sold off. Price came back up to this point, broke through, came back through, sold off. Pull back up again, try to break this area again, sold off. Pull back up into this aggressive supply area, right? Boom, sold off again, right? So multiple hits, boom, sales. Failure to hit, sell, boom. All right, price get back up, sell. Price push back up again, sell. Price push back up again, failure to get back up, sell. All right, so these areas are aggressive areas that, sometimes go all the way down into the future. And so maybe, boom, every time price got to that point, sold. Price got back up to this point, what did it do? Sell. And then sometimes, like I said, sometimes these areas can be so key that it can go a long time. Price got back down, sold again, got back up to the level again, aggressive supply and sold again, right? Boom. Okay. So sometimes these areas can be areas where, you know, you kind of understand, okay, boom, this is what I'm looking for, along with other influences, though, guys. So, you have to pay attention to that point. History always repeats itself. You have to pay attention to that point. So, aggressive selling, price push back up to this area. What did it do? Boom, sell again. See what I'm saying? And it kind of worked both ways because if you look at some of these areas right here, all right, and just look into the past or to the, from the past to the future, price push back up to this point, so back down to this point, push back up, right? You see what I'm saying? So sometimes you can just, understand what's going on. As far as using supply and demand areas, they're very, very important. I wouldn't use them just alone. I would definitely try to use different things with them. But I just want you to see that there are very key factors in what price is doing throughout the whole entire chart. All right. So SMSFXMentor.com. Like I said, we break this down into further detail inside of the course, which is SMSFXMentor.com. If you want to go check it out, go ahead over there and check it out. Some real cool information on there for you guys. Like I said, why not, right? You're learning for free, and you're able to try to implicate some of this stuff and be able to make money in the market as well, right? Just practicing simple things, right? So imagine if you based your whole trading strategy or your whole trading opportunities off this week right here. Every time price got back to this point, you got nice sales and back down to those, back down to those demand areas. All right. But like I said, just don't try to use it just alone. But imagine how your trading week went here. All right, price got here, you sold up. Price got here, you bought back up. Price got here, you sold up. Price got here, you bought back up. Price got here, you sold up. Price got here, you bought back up. Price got here, you sold up. And boom, price broke back through. All right, boom. Yeah, price pulled back up, back above here. You see it get back above here, you bought back up. You see price fell and get back up to this point, you sold back down. Bought back up, sold back down, right? So it's a lot of times in the market where price does this and reacts just like this. And these areas really come in handy, right? So SMSFXMentor.com, right? And like I said, man, follow for more free tips and tricks for a beginner guide. If you really want to learn how to do this, man, SMSFXMentor.com. Go ahead and join up for the package, man. We'll do one-on-one. We'll get your what the times you have to actually trade. We'll get the session that you're trying to be trading because that's the free time that you have. We'll get the time frames that you need to focus on during that free time. We'll get the pairs that you need to be trading right during those times. We'll get the economic news for up and coming weeks, months, right, entire year. And then, like I said, one-on-ones with me and looking at different pairs that I'm looking at, and then you'll be able to make some change while you're learning. All right, let's get it.